Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound, US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex Sentiment meter in front of us right now, and as you can see that 77% retail traders have taken short position on GBP USD, whereas only 22% retail traders have taken long position on GBP USD. So 77% are hoping that market would be going down, whereas only 22% are thinking that market will be going up. As we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. Actually, more than 90% retail traders lose money because most of the time they fail to follow the trend of the market, isn't it? So let's find out what the chart is telling us. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and you can see that in the chart of GBP USD I do not have many lines drawn here because right now the only important level for the chart of GBP USD is the weekly resistance of 1.3780. This is the most important level for GBP USD right now, and right now GBP USD is just standing at the resistance zone. Okay, that's very important. And as we all know, resistance means the place of sellers, and in case of weekly chart, okay, whenever we get a support or resistance level from the weekly chart, they are very strong. Okay, generally we see that they are quite strong. So as per general understanding, okay, as per our general understanding, market should reverse. Okay, market should reverse from the weekly support or resistance, whatever. Okay, but keep in mind one thing always, that support and resistance level are not permanent. In case of good buying or selling pressure, it breaks the level as well. And if you just focus on the present trend of the market here, then we can see that GBP USD is an uptrend for quite some time. So the trend of the market is towards the upside, okay, and that we cannot deny. Trend of the market is towards the upside, therefore there is a good possibility of market breaking the level as well. So right now, if you're thinking that you should take the sell order right now, then this is not the ideal position. Because one more thing, if you have watched my previous video, yesterday's video on GBP USD, then market was coming down. Yes, in my previous video I told you that if you because market was coming down, market was at this particular portion, and right now you can see that after coming down for a while, market immediately recovered. Yes, this is the most important thing, market immediately recovered. So it clearly shows that there are buyers also present in the market. So though we have a weekly resistance level, but still buyers present in the GBP USD are not ready to surrender. Are you getting my point? Try to understand the market psychology here. Try to understand the market emotion here. Though we have a resistance for the weekly chart, but buyers are not ready to surrender. As a result, when market was coming down yesterday from the resistance level, market did not go down, rather it went up again. And if we just observe this particular chart here, okay, this portion of the chart here, then we can see that market is constantly forming lower highs. It means that market is not crossing the previous high. Market is forming new highs, okay, and it is not crossing the previous high. And though we cannot join it with the help of a line here, but still it resembles the characteristics of a ascending triangle pattern. And we all know it very well that in a chart setup like this, in an ascending triangle pattern chart setup, market usually crosses the level, crosses the resistance and goes up. So therefore, after the yesterday's incident, when market has recovered, it is I think that there is a good possibility of market breaking the level as well. Things are complicated right now, but try to understand here. Okay, we have a resistance here, but still market is not ready to go down. But whenever market is coming down, market is forming new highs. Okay, higher lows. Yes, higher lows, lower lows. Yes, higher lows. The market is constantly forming higher lows here, and it resembles the characteristics of an ascending triangle pattern, and therefore there is a good possibility of market breaking the resistance as well. And on the other hand, if you look at the chart of DXY US dollar, okay, you can see that though US dollar is standing at the support zone, but there is a selling pressure on the US dollar. As we all know, support and resistance levels are not permanent. Though US dollar is standing at support right now, but still there is a possibility of market breaking the support zone. So if US dollar breaks the support zone and starts going down, then definitely GBP USD will be crossing the resistance zone of 1.3780, isn't it? But on the other hand, okay, on the other hand, if US dollar suddenly gathers some strength, gathers momentum and starts going up, if DXY US dollar starts bouncing from this level, then there is a good possibility of GBP USD reversing from the weekly resistance. Okay, but right now, looking at the chart of US dollar, there is a possibility of going down also. So keep your eyes on the chart of DXY as well, my dear friends, because this will also have a good impact on the chart of GBP USD. And right now, if you look at the present portion here, then you can see that, okay, though market is standing at resistance, market is not forming or not showing any kind of weakness. Market is not showing any kind of weakness. Try to understand the market psychology here. It means that buyers are still fighting. Buyers are giving their best fight so that they can break the resistance. Market is standing at the resistance, but still it is trying to go up. So in case of a good selling on US dollar, definitely GBP USD will be going up. So be very careful. If you have already taken a short position, yes, listen to me carefully, if you have already taken a short position on GBP USD, then obviously you need to come out. In case there is a good buying on GBP USD, please exit from the trade. Please exit from the trade. And on the other hand, you can also initiate a buy, because this level 1.3780 will be the new support for GBP USD. Okay, so be careful if you have taken a short position, because there is a good possibility of market breaking the resistance. And on the other hand, if you see good buying on GBP USD, then definitely you can go for buy if it breaks the level and goes up, because 1.3780 will be the new support for the GBP USD. Hopefully you've understood. And my dear friends, I have launched the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market. If you are interested knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to the Pro Trader section on my website. You'll find all the information, what I do on the Pro Trader program, what kind of trades I share. Okay, just click on the download the sample button, a PDF file will start downloading. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.